Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change system language on Kindle. To do this, first we'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen, then navigate to the settings. It should be set as a 1, 2, 3, third option from below of the list. So click on it to enter settings. Then navigate to device options. It has an icon of a phone. Then we can find language and dictionaries, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's fourth option on the list. Click on it. Then first option is the language. You can click on that and then search for your preferred language. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.